this is the 2019 BMW M5 Competition. So this is the Mercedes-Benz killer, the E63S. I don't know if you guys remember, I had a Mercedes-Benz E63. If you guys like Mercedes-Benz, you guys should drive one of the BMW M5 The competition is like 25 horsepower more, and almost is the same, just the grills, front bumper, and the sound is different. You can hear the sound, it's crazy. The M5, it doesn't have the sound. The only thing this car doesn't have is the Bauer & Wilkins sound system. It's one of the BMW's best sound system. It's better than a Urus sound system. So if I had a choice, I would buy the BMW CS and the X6. That's the only two cars you have to have. Both fast and it's fun to drive. So the difference between comp and the basic M5, first thing is the grille. So these ones are black. The basic one doesn't come black. Second is this feather moldings. That's the second one. Mirror covers, it's optional. On the comp has a spoiler. On the basic one, you don't have it. And you have that M5 competition black emblem, the diffuser, and the muffler clips. This is one of the best M5 they made. But the CS one coming up, that's gonna be a legend car. I have to have one of those. I have to. No one has a price yet, but they were talking about like maybe 150 euros.
So you're gonna sell the X6M for that?
No, I'm gonna have both.
A few episodes ago, I said you guys could send any pens or anything for Sarkis, as he loves pens. So we've been getting a lot of pens being sent over, but I think this is the funniest package we've got. It says ship to Sark ass. Kind of funny. It's a poo pen. I think this makes all the sense in the world for Sarkis. I hope it doesn't smell, because the guy is holding his nose, so it might actually smell, and if it does, Moses is gonna like it.
What is this, candy?
It looks like a kebab. Why does the phone need that many cameras, by the way? It doesn't smell.
It does.
You would smell it.
No, because it's sealed.
It's not, bro. This is not an amazing seal. It's the
Bro,
cheapest little thing ever.
No, it's sealed.
Bro, I'm next to you. I'm gonna smell it too. What's the problem? Okay. Open it. No smell.
It does.
No.
No, it just smells like rubber.
Yes.
No, it doesn't smell. It smells like rubber.
It's not.
It smells like plastic.
Okay, a fan got you this, so you need to use this fan.
When you write your shitty estimates, this is what you're gonna use.
All right, so here we are. It's Monday. We're back to work. We're on this quick test drive on this GT53. This car is beautiful. Mercedes makes really nice cars, and this thing here is nice. I mean, it's a beautiful everyday car. She came in with a tire light on, so we after the inspection, we did find out that it was a very small nail. Santos is very impressive. That thing is super small. That's how small the nail was. He was able to find it. We patched it, balanced it, put it back on the car. We're out on a test drive just to make sure all the tire pressures are correct. Customer will be here in about half an hour to pick it up.
That's not happening. You hit all the cars on the street. You can't do that. No. We're gonna move it. Stop. Here, let me move this car so you don't total it. This guy has hit all the cars on the street.
Yo, you went
What did I tell you? I told you, it's different and it's sleek and it's unique. Matte Indigo.
You know what's crazy is you just started a trend.
Probably, man. I don't doubt it. Always happens. Matte Indigo blue right here. Urus. We did this a while ago. We dropped the spacers. It used to be matte silver. We added 1016 little add-ons. This is a super clean and unique Urus. So I'm sure we're gonna be seeing a lot of matte blue Uruses out there.
So the shower thing was in today's video? Shower thing? Whatever.
I would pay a lot of money to see you come out of the shower. You look like Kane from WWE.
They're washing Vic.
They're washing Vic? Yeah. I mean washing. What is the object?
Washing.
They said they're washing Vic. What is he, a car?
Dashing.
Oh,
Oh, washing. Okay. Sorry, because it's bashing. So there's only one way. I'll buy you your wheels.
Okay. What's the way?
If you quit.
Okay.
And you don't talk to me anymore. You don't talk to Vic anymore. You don't talk to anybody anymore. I'll get you the wheels. The only reason I'm doing it is I like you.
Okay. Let me ask you a
little
question. Okay. If I see you on the street, can I say hi?
We're friends.
Okay. Sure. Done deal.
Deal? Shake my hand.
But after I
Shake your hand and pack your bags. Well, your cup. You only bring a cup in the morning.
Why wouldn't you quit? I'm gonna buy new wheels. You should. You'll have free wheels. And then you're not gonna have a job. That's the problem.
Can you support me?
Not with your car payments. Your car payments are very high. I can support you a little bit, but not like $1,900 a month. No,
It's not 1900, bro.
it's more.
It's 2600.
No way. I'll be on the streets if I do that.
You have to sell one of your houses to pay his payment.
Yeah, sure. How many houses do you have? Like 3?
He's
None
the
of them
soil
are-
man.
None of them are mine.
He has a. What do you mean? He
Okay,
gets
so if he
wheels.
quits, he gets wheels.
He gets wheels
And what
if he
else?
quits. And if he leaves the country, I'm tuning his car.
Oh no, I thought if he quits, he gets a tune on
He-
wheels.
no. If he quits, he'll get wheels. If he leaves the country, I'll give him a tune.
But I can't take my car. It's not pay
No,
out.
never mind.
While he's leaning on a Brabus G-Wagon.
Hey, why is Bingo such a nice guy?
Hey, I
He's
thought
not at all.
if you
How am I not a nice guy? You don't do anything and I pay you. Look what you're doing right now. What are you doing? The body shop is open.
I know they're working.
Hey, look, you're not doing anything. You smoked 18 cigarettes. We filmed for 15 seconds. Look, let me see. Look, he opened this pack 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, no more.
1, 2. How many? It comes with 20, right?
Yeah.
You smoked 7 cigarettes.
Plus, I had another pack.
We have this beautiful, beautiful black badge Cullinan right here. You guys are used to a lot of Cullinans here. This one is, again, very different. For some reason, we're getting a lot of rare spec Cullinans right now. This one is this beautiful bluish purple color. I don't even know what they call it. I've never seen it before. However, the customer doesn't want it this color. This customer actually reached out to us from Texas. I know you're watching the channel. Shout out to you, Sam, and your son. They're gonna be coming and actually checking out our shop and the vehicle when it's done. But we just received it from all the way from Texas. It's a beautiful black badge, like I said. You can tell from the wheels and the black silver emblems, the inverted emblems, of course, black chrome. We're gonna be wrapping this. Believe it or not, we're gonna be wrapping it black metallic gloss. We're not gonna do any special colors, whatever. They want it just like a standard kind of black, but we advise do a metallic instead of the bare black because a black wrap is not gonna be that amazing. It's actually a triple tone interior, black, white, and blue on the inside. Other than that, bone stock. We're gonna be doing RDB wheels in 24-inch as well, slightly lowering, nothing drastic. So this is gonna be black with door jambs, everything. We're gonna black out the door handles, but everything else is black badge, so we're gonna leave that alone. Come check out the interior. Interior is gorgeous. As you could tell, that special carbon fiber black badge on the door panels, door sills, all that stuff. The black badge insignia on the armrest in the back. But really, really cool because it only has some blue on the door panel. The pinstriping, the logos, and all that is blue. Very minimal blue. As far as the white and black, it's placed in the strategic areas. This is gonna get dirty, I'm sure, but it's really, really nice and white. Cullinans are very, very hot right now. When we finished up that satin silver Cullinan, it literally sold for about 50, 60 grand over what the customer paid for it with the mods. So people are modding these things and they're getting people flipping them. They're buying them real fast. We also did another Cullinan in that chalk gray color with the orange pinstriping with the 26-inch RDB wheels. You'll remember that. That car, a week after we gave it to the client, Ben Simmons bought that car, paid over again. I did a post the other day about RDB raises value on cars when we touch them. It's honestly proven. Mod your car, enjoy it, sell it, make money, whatever. That's why we're here.
Hey, get this shit. Hey, he's gonna do it! He's gonna do fire, bro! He's gonna do fire! He's gonna do fire! No matter what, he's gonna do it!
Run! Run! Get out! Yes!
Okay guys, so we have the April shirt. This is the new one. It's a 2021 Tyga. You guys can see it. So this is available now. You guys can get it. So if you guys like the t-shirt, you guys can like and subscribe.
Not if they like the t-shirt.
If you guys like the t-shirt, you guys can put some comments if you guys like it, and you guys can subscribe to our channel. And that's my drink. He's drinking my drink.
This is what Sarkis drinks. God knows what's in here. What is this?
So this is like it boosts your immune system.
Yeah.
So it gives you like a instead of you drink coffee or anything. So you drink
No, it's good for you.
natural.
It's good for you. No.
So I don't drink coffee. Instead of coffee, I drink this.
You don't think this is too small?
No,
What
bro,
size
it's
is this?
This is large. A lot of people
Raise
like
your hands.
Okay.
Higher.
Now go down.
Okay.
Okay, that's not normal here. You see
I
that?
need you guys to comment because Sarkis reads the comments. I need you guys to tell him that you guys want him to do that blonde segment. I put a picture of Sarkis with a blonde wig on, and he went crazy on me on a Saturday night. I was having dinner, and he called me a million times and basically told me to delete that picture. We want to do a segment with him with blonde hair reviewing
Okay,
cars.
no problem. I will do it.
The fans are gonna
Okay.
tell you if they want you that.
Okay, I will do it, but only in one condition.
Get my wheels.
No. I will do it if you do another person next to me. Done deal. We'll do it together.
What does that mean, another person?
He doesn't want to be the. He doesn't want
Okay,
to be the
Moses
only one
will be
running
with
away.
you. So we're doing this for a reason. I told you why. So read the comments. They're gonna let you know that they really want to see this happen. And I know you value your friends and your fans, and you're gonna do it for them.
Let's it's have to be more than 50,000 likes.
No, dude.
No.
5,000? 10,000?
Yeah, 10,000 likes.
Okay, 10,000 likes.
Oh my god. Okay. Cool. Come on.
Fuck.